Pick a card, any card. All right, now memorize it. Show it to everybody. Got it? All right, give it back to me. Five of hearts.
Real magic does exist.
Wow. Joey, how do you do it?
I can't tell you that.
Somebody's at the door on the ceiling.
That's an unbelievably loud upstairs neighbor. He took up the carpet, so now you can hear everything.
Why don't you go up there and ask him to just, like, let me, please?
I have, like, 5 times, but the guy is so charming that I go up there to yell, and then I end up apologizing to him.
Oh, that is silly. I'll go up there. I'll tell him to keep it down. Be my guest.
All right. You really want to know how I did it? Okay. When you handed me back the card, what you didn't see was I looked at it so fast it was invisible to the naked eye. I just did it. Just did it again. Here, I'll slow it down so you guys can see it. Ready?
No, try again.
That one.
No.
That one.
Might be. Try it.
That one.
Maybe. Probably not. You never done this one before? No. Yes.
That one.
Try it.
No.
We got a length of rope about 6 feet
That
long
one.
with a noose at the end. I just saw Janice. Yeah, she was at Rockefeller Center skating with her husband. She looked so happy. I almost feel bad for whipping that kid's pretzel at them.
I remember
No.
the first time I saw that girl, Catherine, after we broke up. She was just walking with her friend Donna, just laughing and talking.
That one.
Killed me.
Yes, we
No.
ended up having sex.